This video shows how to properly set up a scan with SHArK. We store our graphite counterelectrode in an oven. This is done to ensure that the counterelectrode is completely dry. Even though the electrode will be partially submerged, we don't want the top of the electrode to be wet. Now we prepare our cell. To do this, we use 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide, a glass vase, our graphite counterelectrode, and our FTO sample. If one is available, a syringe is also useful. We have attached a black felt insert to the inside wall of the back of our vase. This is done to prevent reflection off the back glass wall, which would affect our results. Begin by placing your FTO sample in the vase. Then carefully add the sodium hydroxide solution, taking care that the top of the FTO plate stays dry. Notice the surface of the liquid is visible. This can scatter the laser and affect our scan, so we want to ensure the water line is covered by the black tape. Fasten the graphite counterelectrode securely to the side of the vase so that the bottom of the electrode is submerged in the solution. It's important that the electrode is not in contact with the FTO plate. Next, connect the red wire alligator clip to the sample and the white wire alligator clip to the counterelectrode. Once connected, you should see a signal like this. If you see this interference pattern, your sample is not connected correctly. To fix this problem, try using sandpaper on the metal contacts of the alligator clips, as they may have become corroded. If this does not work, you can also try wiping down the FTO and counterelectrode to dry them. If you still see the pattern, return the counterelectrode to the oven and allow it to dry. Before starting your scan, you want to allow time for the signal to settle. For a demonstration of this, we recommend you watch the SHArK software video. SHArK can detect ambient light in the room, so we cover our scanner with a cardboard box before beginning our scan. After your scan is complete, remove your sample and the counterelectrode. We then want to empty out the sodium hydroxide. This is important to keep sodium hydroxide from building up in your cell. We recommend you also clean off your sample by gently rinsing it with water. Last, we return our counter electrode to the oven.